Hope you enjoy that new song out by Deza called Carry Me, of course. Let's get this show started.
Bruh.
Hey, traders. Hope you're having a good one. Into your week. Friday is the day. And, kind of a mixed bag today. Let's go 6, number 1. He was the first ever. Welcome, everyone. Thank you, 6, dude. Another one for the wall. Yeah, this is your new merchandise that has just launched now. All right. Here we go. 6 had the first white one. E-Turn had the first black one. Let's go to it. Nice addition. Can't decide between black or white, so I'll get both. Right? I mean, when we were adding them, looking at both, they looked exceptional. Dude, there's like a tapestry, a wall tapestry you can now buy of that one, and it looks insane. They made an update to their site, it's hard to explain. They made it to where you can integrate portrait style into landscape, and they have their own stuff that does that. But what's up? Oh, is that Ninja Girl? Thank you, Ninja Girl, for supporting the stream. Enjoy your merchandise. Boom. And also become learned at the same time. So, to look at Bitcoin, man. Just made an adjustment. What's up, April? Hey, remember, all y'all buying this and everyone that's about to or thinking about buying it, they're for some reason. All right, Teespring, the people who do this, that make this possible, they hit 100,000 followers on Instagram, and so out of the goodness of their heart, they have like a promo up until midnight tonight, where it's like 100K. You type that in when you're buying that piece, and you get 20% off. I've never seen that before, but we've only been doing it for like 2 months now, so. But I've never seen a discount that large. So yeah, one would want to take advantage of that for sure. Why not, dude? So, thank you, April. She says, thanks for what you do, Mitch. My boyfriend will love this. Well, I sure hope so. Thank you. Thank y'all. All right. Oh my God. So, yeah, just making an adjustment on the Bitcoin channel. We had already done that yesterday or 2 days ago, whatever. But look, man, 1 and 2 and 3 on the top. Then we just have that lowest point on the bottom side, right? For mid-July to be the anchor point on the bottom. And you can see we're holding it for now. It looks better in log scale. I think Matthew D or someone brought that up, and I was like, whatever. We're zoomed in. It's not really applicable, right? There's just not much time that's gone by, so we don't really use log scale zoomed in. But anyway, it's not just the upsloping support maybe that we touched. We knew, right? This was an area, like if you watched the stream last night especially, I went into immense detail on the argument on why it wouldn't be weird if we did reverse somewhat here, maybe to back test 10,550, which we've done. We're above right now, actually. And then if you break above 10,550, 10,952 would be next. So you could run up and test that as resistance before selling off again. Silence, thank you for supporting the stream, dude. Enjoy your beautiful work of art by Wayne Batson. Big shout out to him. He worked really hard on it, and he hit a grand slam. So that's it. If you don't know about this merchandise piece, alright, so in the middle you can see a Japanese symbol. It means raw, which is like in Japanese, that's the R, right? So it's the script R in Japanese, right next in between the bull and the bear. And then on that piece there's that huge Japanese symbol, right, that kind of covers the whole thing, watermarked in the back. That represents family, right, which is, Japanese candlestick family, but it's more so like testament to our community and how, deep it is, the family aspect. So what's up, Jeffrey? Thank you, man. Thank you, Silent Dude. He says, for the man cave, of course. Love it. Nicely done. Cheers. Who's gonna buy the first tapestry? I mean, I know it's you know, kind of a large piece. Did you just do it again? I don't know. That was just once. I don't know. Yeah, that was literally... Did you buy 2 of them, dude? I think you might have. It's showing that you did. Boom, there it is. Just as we say it, Dan G's the first ever to buy the wall tapestry. Good stuff, Mitch. Thanks, bro. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Yeah, that black tapestry is nuts. Okay, so yeah, there's no edge on Bitcoin at all right now. You know, we just had our big wave down, right? The X to A type stuff. Okay, so after a big wave down, we let the small waves play out, right? Our reflexive rally, retrace 38 to 50% of the way, hit some resistance, stall out after you've reset your oscillators, and you dump again. And we're just waiting on that. We're waiting on an edge on Bitcoin and crypto. The only thing I see in the crypto market, kinda, is Ethereum. We're gonna look at. Hey, Anon. Thanks for purchasing the poster, 18 by 24. The canvas definitely looks the best, man. Like 100%. But I guess you could get a poster to frame it if you wanted. But thanks, dude. 20% off on anything if you type in that 100K promo before you purchase. All right. So Ethereum, right? We'll talk about stocks. Tech getting wrecked, dude. Well, this was kind of the consensus. You know, in the end, all right, ascending broadening wedge. SD Huddle, man. Love this. Thanks for all you do. Thank you for supporting the stream, dude. Enjoy. Can't wait to see y'all posting them in your office on your walls. Or Ninja Girl can just do the same thing she did before, all right? Brentus, dude. Now I can throw my books away. Thanks. All right, man. Cheers. Don't throw them away. Don't ever throw your books away, dude. What you can do is give them, if you don't want to, if you have no more use for your books, donate them to your friends and family and help them become learned. Looks amazing. Great job. Thanks, BlazeCom. Heck, man, you can donate to someone in the community if they're willing to learn or something, right? I don't know. If you develop a relationship with someone. Hey, it's Brad, man. He's bought the indoor pillow version. This pillow will really tie the trading dojo together. Spin the wheel, man. It's the weekend. Brad Fisher, was that really you? And you're advocating for my inebriation? I've got a little bit of whiskey left. I mean, I guess. Like, who cares? Chuggy Chugface, get wrecked, dude. He's probably not here. What's up, Boostologist? Thank you, man. We got a merch train going. Thank you, dude. So with Ethereum, you know, 366, that we held, right? We fell below it. We got as low as 357 today. Putting a party, dude. Hype in the merch store. This is hot, hot, hot. Thanks for this. Cheers, dude. Couldn't have done it without Wayne Batson. The exceptional talent. So 366, what is that? You have to go to the weekly to see it. We tested it now. We tested it. Oh my God. Again, and it's still, you're still working on maybe a bearish engulfing candle. If things don't pick up this weekend, you'll have it. This is just like, you're holding, but for how long? How much longer is it going to take? I mean, before you just fall back in like Bitcoin did. Agua Divinos, had to have these using my tendies from these last few months. Call out to Sniper Incoming. He wants to learn as well. Cheers. Shout out to Sniper Incoming. Thank you, Sniper Incoming. Cheers. Can I get 2 spins for 2 posters? Did you buy 2 posters, dude? How do we confirm that? It doesn't show. I mean, if you request a wheel spin, I guess, like it, yeah, we can, I guess, do it. Chug basically wrecked again. We'll do it one more time. If you bought 2 merch pieces, but okay, nothing. We're safe. Thank y'all, really. Tiago for datas. Thank you, dude. Well, he says, well, I'll get the canvas also. Loved it. Dang, man, thank you. All right, Anon, purchasing the canvas. Wait, that's a tapestry. Why does it say canvas? Thanks, brother, man. Thank you all. All right. So, right, with Ethereum, the 4-hour and daily almost look, I mean, they're extremely interesting. And why I say they don't look good is because I know what's going to happen if Bitcoin dumps. Ethereum's good looking 4-hour and daily don't mean crap. I mean, they're really not going to do crap if Bitcoin dumps. So, right? What's up, Artsy, dude? This would fit well with the other one. Yeah, dude, that was what that was meant for. You know, we're going to, at some point in the future, don't count on it being anytime soon, we'll have our third unveiling, and it will be chart patterns. All right? So, right? I mean, you get what I'm saying? Why is the daily and the 4-hour look good? I'll show you. So, I just wanted you to see on the weekly where we are, right? You break 350 to 366, man, you might have a bad time. So, why? Because hidden bullish divergence, if you can even believe it. I mean, if you're being technical, you have to believe it that somehow, some way, Ethereum from its previous low from August 27th, August 25th, you've made a higher low than both of those lows where traders settled up. 381.50, where in August it was 378. So when you make a low on price and a higher low with higher levels of positive momentum, that implies upside next, continuation to the upside. So I mean, like, I guess you got it some. I mean, you got as high as $400 today, this morning, right? So you get above 389, you stay above 389 long enough, you could see, you know, eventually 407. What's up, Silent? You have to collect all of the set. No brainer. There you go. No brainer, man. Thanks, Silent did. So that's why it looks maybe, and it's like critical supports have been tested, right? You've made 100% plus retrace. Hey Mitch, I've watched your stream for a while. You really are great at what you do. I'll be watching you to learn during the highs and lows of the market. Thank you, Gooding. Cheers. Thank you for supporting the stream. And thank you for, you know, I mean, when you purchase that stuff, I mean, you're saying, hey, I want to learn what's on this, hopefully. Yeah, it's aesthetically pleasing. We made it that way, but there's great information on these pieces of art. So invest in yourself. So that's why the 4-hour looks interesting, right? What I just said, right? That was kind of the argument. And why does the daily look good? Because the daily, somehow, some way, if we caught some bids and closed strong, which it doesn't look like so far, we got an hour 36 minutes to, you know, get back above 389, which it doesn't look like we're going to right now. I mean, we could, but like, look, man, a low on price, about the same low on price at these critical supports. If you show a bullish pin bar, I mean, that's a bullish reversal pattern. Crap, I don't even think we put a bullish pin bar on the merge piece. Yeah, that's okay. Hammers, pin bars. All right. What's up, Vlad? Best TA Mitch? Dude, I'm just doing it the way I learned it, and just, you know, works for me. So everyone, you know, it doesn't mean that there are other ways of doing TA that are worse. I mean, there are way, you know, obviously, but I'm saying there are ways that are just as good, maybe, right? So, what's up, Penny Wisdom? Cheers, Mitch. Keep it real, my man. Have a rad weekend. Thank you, Penny. And you enjoy yours as well. It's going to be a long one, right? We got holiday on Monday. Stock market's going to be closed. So, spending too much time on Ethereum and Bitcoin, but we got this merch train going. 20% sale. I mean, 20% sale on these merchandise pieces is incredible. So, shout out to Teespring for that. But look, I mean, at any point when a reversal occurs, you're going to start losing negative momentum, and classic bullish divergence would start developing. I don't think it's developed yet, because this could sell off. Man, we could be at 350 or lower and start pivoting down here and still show potential bullish divergence. So you just can't say it's great yet. But hey, showing a really strong bullish pin bar with a large wick like this would make me feel a little bit more confident. So if we get a close around $400, I'm gonna feel a lot better about Ethereum. Okay. What's up, Anon? Thank you, man, for the support. Enjoy it. Please remember, anyone buying this merchandise, if you're gonna do it, there's Like when you're checking out, there's somewhere you can apply a code. You type 100K in there and you get 20% off that. Just making sure people know. I don't want people to get, pay more than they have to. Hey, Real Mongoose, dude, thanks for the merch purchase, man. Cheers. Alright, so let's go to the S&P 500s real quick, because that's kind of been the talk of the town. But, I mean, really, dude? Like, come on. Like, what more do you want? It's the way support resistance is respected.
And then, just like that,
the bottom of the upsloping channel was tested as support before you bounced pretty resoundingly. Where did we close? Well, we did what the prophecy had foretold, right? We filled the gap from August 24th, August 20 and 21st weekend. All right, we filled the gap and we back tested previous all-time highs pre-China virus high. We back tested it as support and held, and we're above. We closed the week above it, so that's good, man. That's not bad. I mean, this is normal positive price action. It lets you know. I mean, it's like trying. I mean, for now, it's trying to confirm that all this is support. It's confirmed support now. So yeah, I mean, it really, to me, the way assets look today, there wasn't a massive cash grab, right? Maybe kind of like yesterday was, where all industries really sold off. It's good because, like, maybe the theory I've been having is like all these assets in different sectors have been setting up for higher prices, like nice classic accumulation patterns for months they've been developing since the China virus low, and tech's been just high flying. It's like the theory's been, wait, finite amount of money. Eventually, they're going to pull the rug on that to sell off, to correct, and that money is not going to go cash. It's going to go into those value stocks, those assets that are showing bullish reversal patterns on daily time scales, right? So that's actually what happened today more, where financial corporations killed it. I mean, they were the ones that helped the market stay afloat a little bit, and then you got tech that drove the market down a lot, and Tesla, like it's been announced now, I think it's confirmed that they're not going to be added to the S&P 500 now, and Tesla's down like $15 after hours on that news. Sorry, I'll call it a communist Chinese virus. Does that make you feel better, everyone? Okay. Chinese communist government virus, all right? Anon, thank you, dude. Love your work, Mitch. Big fan. Thank you for supporting the stream, dude. Anon, thank you for supporting the stream with that purchase as well. Cheers, dude. Might be different Anons. Oh, yeah, that was like Anon just bought both. Very cool. TA for the win. Thanks for the knowledge, Mitch. Thank you, dude. Enjoy your beautiful new piece of art when it gets there. Okay, so you get me on the S&P 500? Normal things, nothing crazy. I mean, what's nuts is somehow, if you can hold above all-time highs, your previous all-time highs, long enough, and you start pivoting, you might be starting to show hidden bullish divergence on the daily, which would be just kind of typical at this point for this market. Tiago, thank you, dude. Well, I'll get the canvas also. I loved it. Very good. Good feedback. Thanks, man. April, thanks for the awesome merch. Mind taking a look at Wells Fargo? Spin? Alright, if it's a request. Why not, man? Who cares? God, got me. You got me. Wayne Batson is a gosh dang legend. So is our Lord and Savior, to Jesus. Not me. Much love. Thanks, man. Had to ad-lib that a little bit. My God. Smiley, dollar bill. This will be good for me because I look for harmonics and Bukowski stuff when I'm charting. Thanks to the artists and team. Thank you, Smiley. Face, dude. What's up, Martin, man? How you doing, dude?
bruh.
just got on. What's shaking, brother?
We're just looking at some charts, dude. You know, we're just we got merchandise pieces that have been unveiled today, so we got a merch train going. It happens. People want to support the stream and also get a cool piece of artwork at the same time. You know, so it's a win-win-win. All right, Wells Fargo Connect, and you know, I'll be taking a shot in a little while. Let me get through the part where I try to provide some value for you. Well, look, I mean, it's still doing the same thing. I mean, where it's still a low-risk area. Mr. Nick, thank you, dude. Keep respecting the TA, Brother Mitch. Thank you. You respect it as well, all right? So what's kind of weird here is... excited to be a part of the community. Respect the TA. Can we look at S-Coin SXP, please? I posted in unofficial setups earlier about a potential butterfly in the 4-hour chart. Thanks. Yeah, we'll look at it, man. Does it have any other reason to take an entry? Does it have bullish divergence on the 4-hour or daily, or a combination of two? And is there critical support looking left? Does Bitcoin show an edge? I like what Bitcoin's doing right now, like on this 4-hour candle. Since it literally broke 10,550 on the last 4-hour candle, it has now only been for the past, I don't know, 2.5 hours. It's been back testing that old resistance as support for now. So that's good. I mean, the longer it does that, the higher the probability becomes that Bitcoin bounces off that support and runs to 10,952, which is the next resistance. So Wells Fargo, unfortunately, you know, it's like Berkshire Hathaway has announced again they'll be lowering their position even more in Wells Fargo. I mean, they've dropped so much. King Louis, candles to keep me warm for the coming winter. Love this community. Thanks, King Louis. Well, people like you make it what it is. So thanks for being a part of it. All right. So it's almost just like, you know, you broke maybe what would be a dragon supply line, and now you're kind of like double bottoming, maybe triple bottoming, shortening of the thrusting. I mean, it looks okay technically. It does. You do have classic distribution there, right? And now what was once should have been support has been regarded as resistance, right? After up thrusting, you're now testing resistance. So it's like, it's low risk areas. But dang, man, you can't. It's hard to ignore the fact that you're making these lower highs. But again, all these lows you're making are higher lows than this low. But again, that news with Berkshire Hathaway offloading more is kind of concerning. But you can't say as like a position trader or swing trader, it's not a deep value area, right? Peckham says, waited for this code since day one. Sorry for the attendees link. Every day I watch. It's all good, Peckham. Thank you, dude. Enjoy your merchandise. What's up, Wayne Canson? Oh, you got the fleece blanket. Snugglies Connect. Type in the chat for that.
Bruh.
That's the first fleece blanket purchased of that artwork or whatever. Jim Blue. Hi for the Patreon. Got both canvases. Centerpiece for my redecorated home office. Wonderful, dude. Thank you, man. Thanks, everyone. Wow, overwhelming amounts of support today. I can't even believe it. And there's Jim also getting the canvas print of the Japanese candlesticks. Wonderful, man. We had one other blanket purchase. Oh, okay. It was a blanket earlier. Sorry, I didn't even notice. Oh, yeah, we did. It was King Louis. Yeah. Very small alterations on the graphic between the canvas and the blanket. So, yeah, I mean, you really want to get above 25 bucks. If you can get above 25 bucks and hold above it long enough, I think you got a real nice chance for upside. But until you do that, man, it's kind of just like Monka-S at low risk, high reward areas. You know, I wouldn't be messing around with Wells Fargo below $23. I mean, it can come down and test 22 bucks, but this price action correlated with the historical ice line looking back all the way to what, dude? All the way back to 2011. So Wells Fargo, I would want nothing to do with Wells Fargo below that $23 area. But that's what I'm saying. We're above it. But we need to break this local low. We're close. When we get above it, man, I think we got a real good chance for at least a swing trade or short-term position trade where this could run up. And just here, I mean, just being conservative, a 50% retrace. First target and a secondary retrace, or a second retrace, or, you know, whatever, secondary target for profit taking 2861, 2987, and you could have third profit taking level at the 886, 3275, right? So I mean, that's what you do. I mean, it could just be looked at kind of like this. If you're entering now, right? I mean, you prefer to be as like it's still like if you strategize your stop loss below 2311, it's not equitable to take profit at the 50% retrace. It's not. Look, it's 2 to 1. It's not good enough. So like if you're trying to strategize, you get rid of it. You can't take profit at the 50%. You just can't. You have to see, even at the 618, it's not equitable. Really, 2.65 to 1. Thanks, Mitch. You are the GOAT. Please never stop doing what you love, and I will never stop watching. Much love to you and this great community. Boom. Wow. Wonderful message, dude. Really appreciate the positivity, dude. Really. But here's the thing, man. It's like, all right, understandable. I mean, if it bounces here, there is lots of upside. So even at the 618, you can't even do it. So you'd have to minimum probably take profit at the 786. Or at least this high right here from March 25th, that would still be equitable. Strategizing just a horizontal line resistance right there. And then you're at 3.18 to 1. So that could be a way to size up Wells Fargo, even though people, big institutions don't like finance, and it makes sense because of rates being so low. But it doesn't mean it can't reverse the upside and make them all look stupid for a retrace before dumping again. Hey, Micah. Hey, man, been around for a while, finally paying my way, LOL. Could you check out NIO? Yeah, the Chinese Tesla. Sure. We can do that. So just thinking out loud here on Wells Fargo on how to size it up as a position trader or swing trader, right? I mean, all right. Good luck. Let's look here. Listen. Give me a sec. Oh, that's right. These contributions have been coming via merge, not TTFs. I have to get this shot, too. I have to take a shot. I'd rather just go ahead and get the shot over with so I can do TA buzzing, I guess. Complete muscle relaxation. Kevin Terr. This delivers Monday, September 14th, which also confluence with my birthday. I'll find out yours one day today, perhaps. Happy birthday. My birthday is October 17th, if you want to know, right? It's public info. Everyone knows it. I mean, not everyone, but I'm saying, like, it's not a secret. So, October 17th is my name day. Alabama and Georgia will be playing that night. I will be at that game, hopefully, if I can help it. So, wasn't you the next one that was requested now? I think so. I think it was the only one. Oh, SXP, yeah, and then Neo. Yeah, well, I mean, maybe it is a harmonic or something. It like doesn't matter. There's no divergence at all on the daily. God. Daily's awful. Like, this is why this was even requested, right? Because it's like, hey, if we're just looking at it like this, sure, maybe, dude. From the very all-time low, 73%. Sorry, dude, that just doesn't cut it. So, it needs to be a 78% retrace. Not deep enough for a butterfly. Not shallow enough for a Gartley, so it's literally nothing. It has the ability to be nothing. It's a lower high, so there's no way it can be a shark. Nothing, dude. That's okay. Could still be the XABCD stuff. Low to high. This asset's sitting, it almost hit an 88% retrace, but do you see any kind of real edge here? I don't. Not even enough data. Not oversold. It could bounce here. Good for it, like not much. Not good enough, dude. Okay. Oh yeah, Neo, dude. I remember Neo. Guess I could plot the freaking that previous all-time high from September 2018. Yeah, you had bearish divergence on the daily, very clearly. You sold off, but look at that bounce. But it's down 1.78%, probably because of Neo stuff. Brad Shearer, New Office Decor. As always, thanks for everything you do. Bro. Thank you, dude. Brad. Multiple Brads. So, yep, bearish divergence, a high on price, a discernible second high on price with much lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength. That is that's buyer exhaustion stuff. Right there. Well, yeah, I don't, there's nothing here. Like, you're looking left. I mean, we could do fib extensions if you want. Does that cope with handle, man? Nah, dude, it's not really. It's the whole chart. Stop looking at, like, everything like couple handle. So it almost hit a gold me ratio.
Wait a sec, can you check this Russian S coin out?
I can't, Harrison. It's a $10 minimum for S coins. So, no, but thank you. So you could probably, like, I don't know. Could we chart here? I could. Yep, like a channel. It's like a upsloping structure or something. 1 and 2, and then 1 on the bottom. Alright, there you go. Still inside of it. This is not, I mean, there was an edge for a reversal to the downside, but it's like electric car stuff, so I don't know. I mean, I think there's no real support until 1380, so I think in time you could go back test that as support, because you never really clearly have done it. You know, you chopped through it, but you never concisely broke it and then back tested it and then ran again. Anon, thank you for the merch perch. Really appreciate it. So, you know, we look for an edge. When there's no edge, I'm kind of just like, yeah, we can plot a channel, dude. There's an edge for downside. But it just spiked up like everything else. The whole market, it just followed the S&P. I mean, it almost looks the same as the S&P 500, or, you know, so. So look at this, like the QQQ today, an absolutely incredible touch. I mean, you just can't make this up. It's too perfect. Hanging man just bouncing off the top of the breakout of the channel and then dumps and tests in 2 days, tests the bottom of the upsloping channel and then bounces off resoundingly. Anon, thank you for the purchase of the wall tapestry. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I mean, it's gorgeous, so I can't wait till y'all send pictures of that stuff up on your wall. One of your big walls, right? So. So I don't know, man, a reversal after hitting a gold mean ratio, not that crazy. I mean, it's so not that crazy. Not even any technical structural damage has been done. Look, clearly, evidently, right? All that's happening is this demand line. There were a crap load of buy orders there, right? Market participants and bots have this set up the same way I do, and they're like, oh, a demand line. All right, we'll just have limit buys set up. Crap loads of limit buys triggered when the price got there, and that's why we got this big bounce. Foreclose. What's up, Lars? Thanks for everything you do for us, Mitch. Greetings from the Netherlands. Thank you, dude. Hope you have a great weekend. It's getting wild and crazy in Europe because it's nighttime. It's Friday night, man. We're gonna party, Dad. I feel so good. Speaking of party, I guess it's time for me to go get that shot. I think April got me. What's up, Scared? Or Scared? Thanks for the great work. Thought I'd contribute to your merch revenue. Cheers. Thank you, dude. Well, you know, when you buy merchandise, you are certainly supporting the stream and the team. but it's also a way to get something, you know, more than just, you know, you're supporting the stream. It's like you're getting something with it. Boom. Also getting the canvas print of the harmonics. Wonderful, dude. Thank you. Shishi. Boom. He got them all. Thank you, Scared or Scared. Whichever one it is, man. Thank you. Red Ska. Connect. Oh, the likes are creeping up to 300. Pfft, I bet we can't do it. 300 likes is unheard of, man. Especially for 850 people watching. That's never gonna happen, dude. Oh, man. Do I really have to look at waves because it's maybe showing something? But dang, dude, at that level, it's not showing an edge, you know? God. Crypto Messias. Vilmontes says, brilliant. That's what I was looking for. Thank you for the merch perch. Well, that one's been up, Vilmontes. But maybe you got another one? No, he didn't get another one. Alright. Not with that attitude? Alright, dude. It's on y'all, right? Someone says, of course I have to collect all of the set. Wait. That's weird. Oh my god, dude. Glad to be able to support the stream after finding it during the March crash. Got both of them to learn the way of the TA with some gorgeous wall art. Thanks, Mitch and Wayne. Thank you, Hugo, man. For not just one perch, but 2 perches. Boom, same message. Thank you, man. Okay. I'm gonna go get that, pay my debt. I hate it, man. Like, shot, it's like someone hits chug, and then that's it. Everyone's satisfied. And it's like, really, dude? Is that how it works, man? Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin. 10,518. Yeah, see, it's not able to break 10,550. Right now, look left. What is that? It's not a joke, man. It's not a joke at all. It's your October 26, 2019 wick high. And it's your February 12th, 2020 high. I mean, you got to break back above that, man. You're back testing it as resistance right now. That's bad. Break it and hold above it, and that could be good. All right? Enough of this. Thank you, Anon, for the harmonic cheat sheet, or the keys to the Bungalow suite. The Boogaloo, man. Coming to a theater near you or something. Alright, we'll keep it on Bitcoin while I'm AFK for a second. I'll be right back. If you're enjoying this stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much. What's up, MV? Great idea, great design, great community. Thanks to you, Mr. Dave, everything you guys do. And all your hard work. Thank you, MV Border. Thank you, multiple Anons for purchasing the merch.
Both canvas ball today. Thoughtful face.
Well, April, yeah, I guess. Didn't I do that? No, we're good. But this one's for you. What's going on? Here we go. Give it a soldier, man. In the house. Thank you, dude. Cheers. This one's for y'all. Alright. Happy Friday. Shot. Gonna be taken. Okay, alright, what's up, man? How you doing? Alright, Bitcoin, yeah, can't hold the line, man. This is not good, alright? Price action on a test like this. You tested support, you're testing resistance now. That's not what you're looking for. Now, breaking it and closing above it, that's what you're looking for. Breaking it and then falling and then closing in an hour and 6 minutes below, it's very bad. Not good. For JR ahead of the cure, ahead of the curve at 17 years young. Well, big shout out to JR. I hope he enjoys it, alright? Learn your candles, learn your harmonics, learn Fibonacci, learn divergence, learn coinciding variables, learn risk management, learn position sizing, learn it all, man. Invest in yourself. Data Writer says, gotta catch them all. Got the bungaloo. Now gotta have the candlestick cheat sheet. Thanks for everything that you do and the team does. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you, Data Writer. Hey, Big Spence says, love it. Thank you, man. Wow. Absolute, incredible, overwhelming amounts of support today. Really hope you all enjoyed, alright? Mugs with patterns would be amazing, real Tej. Yeah, we're gonna have something like that. Definitely have a Japanese candlestick. Technical analysis type mug, yeah. Because we are retiring the bread mug. You can get 20% off the bread mug. That and the Black Plasma NASCAR shirt merch will be gone Wednesday of next week, forever. Vikingo says, get wrecked all the things. Later, if you stay, you can be king. Don't be a scrub, people. Stay. There you go, Vikingo. Thank you, dude. Thank y'all for support. My God. John Candlewick also purchased a canvas print. Best community. Thank you, everyone. Ethereum at 387. Bruh. Yeah, Ethereum is, it's up a little bit. It's not good. I don't think us, I think we need to close a bullish pin bar. This is starting to look more and more like a spinning top. Ugh. Belta Loda, thank you. Been watching you since you used to stream with Beasley. Us 23rd century rock hoppers still use your transmissions from the 21st, floating through space to time travel, trade, and pay for our asteroid mining expenses. Brilliant design. Thanks, man. Man.
Bruh.
Wayne Batson, dude. All him. Alright. Boom.
Hype in the chat!
Monster tapestry with all the TA on it. Yeah, that'd be cool. I mean, yeah, having a tapestry, you can think about it, like, so much potential. But yeah. I have my own tapestry in my house, but it's of a It's a rendition of a hurricane that has been digitally augmented to look like a spiral galaxy. It's beautiful, dude. Ryan Burke, thank you, dude, for the harmonic purchase. Says thank you for the inspiration and education. Thank you for supporting, dude. Really. Wow. Let's go, dude. So you closed below 389 today. I don't know, man. It's gonna do what Bitcoin does. So Bitcoin not looking strong. You know, resetting those oscillators, not oversold anymore. Oh man, right? The conditions are set up for Bitcoin. If it wants, if market participants want to, you could dump this down to 10K again or lower. You break 99.50, look out. 8,500. What? I mean, you realize we did hit 99.50 today. Bitcoin hit 98.96 today, so that could be in store for us again if we fail to break above 10,550. Why not? Why would we not go down to 10,000 again? Whew. Holy crap. What a stream already. Oh, it's cracking down right now, dude. Okay, so across the markets, there's not really the crypto markets. There's not much of an edge on things, right? Like we could go and look, you know, like look at Maker. This is the daily. There's nothing here. Like there's no divergence or anything yet. I mean, you could argue Class C, but what if Bitcoin starts selling off again? We're looking for an entry on Maker around 520. I'm placing our bets there if there's an edge at that point. Anon, thank you, dude, for the merch perch. We appreciate it. See me, gap got filled. Well, that's spectacular. Now everyone can shut up about it. God. Actually, no, it didn't. The gap did not fill. On futures, got to a low of 99.15, where the gap fill is at 96.45. So fake news, dude. Super fake news. But look at that freaking hammer that was painted on the daily on the futures. That's gorgeous. Unfortunately, there's no help, right? It's just negative momentum at its lowest level. So it could just solve again. But dang, you want to talk about, hey, we look at that Japanese candlestick cheat sheet, right? Well, here you go. Here's one of them. It's not a green hammer, but it's certainly a red hammer. A hammer of some sort. Reversal. Oh my god, man. It's crazy, isn't it? No gap up. So let's look. Hey, it was on the thumbnail today. Samuel L. Jackson, because he's like the spokesperson, you know, for Capital One Finance. What's in your wallet? Tendies are in our wallet, as Capital One Finance ends up being the fourth largest gainer. This is a trade setup. It goes all the way back to mid-July, where we were able to identify a bullish Gartley. Matthew was able to find a falling wedge. I'm not looking at it like a falling wedge. A to D was the falling wedge, but something that was so incredible about this one that you just can't deny how good it is. This is what we look for every single time. This is what we want, all right? Every time. A harmonic pattern at its pattern completion zone, 786. Gartley in this situation. But where's the 78.6% retrace? You can see it, right? You see this orange trend line, 58.64. You know I don't normally draw trend lines or horizontal lines unless they're important, right? All right, 58.64. You see this where the PCZ is. Let's look left, where we had regarded it before as resistance. Go all the way. Here it is, 2015 or 2016 twice. A double bottom. That is what is so incredible about COF, or was. I mean, not really anymore. Sorry, dude. Should have been watching back then. Should have been paying attention. Should have been a patron in June before it was cool. Or July, whatever. June and July, whatever. May, April, all tendies. Symbolic. For JR ahead of the curve at 17 years young. Boom. Is that another one? You got him is it repeating or something? I don't know. It's showing up like you maybe just bought 2. Thanks, man. So look, right? The bullish harmonic, a Gartley preferably, at an ice line where you fell below the ice line, so when you broke back above it, that's called the spring, and then you back tested the spring of the pattern completion zone of the Gartley. And while we were doing that, you were showing clear, concise, discernible, hidden bullish divergence on both oscillators. Okay? Not only that, at the pattern completion zone, we painted a textbook, beautiful, can somebody answer what this Japanese candlestick reversal is? If you just bought the poster, you can look at your cheat sheet and find out yourself and answer the question. What Japanese candlestick reversal pattern occurred on COF at the PCZ of the bullish Gartley in a critical ice line from 2016? What was it? I'll wait. I'm on strike until people answer, okay? This is a right or wrong answer. There's one answer. That's it. Dr. Hansen, 365. Thank you, dude. Disappointing me. Everyone's disappointing me right now. There we go. Art of JR. He got it, man. Please flat. Art of JR got it. A piercing line reversal. 2 Japanese candlestick pattern. Wow, Dr. Hansen, thanks for buying both, dude. Or, doctor. Sorry, sir. So, 2 Japanese candlestick pattern. All right, where you have a red candle. All right, on one day, and the next day, what happens? The next day, the candle opens lower than the previous day's close, and then throughout the day, it rallies and pierces through 50 to 65% of the previous candle, the candle before you. This one happened to be a 95% pierce through it, okay? With the wick or candle body, so extremely strong piercing line reversal, and all that is manifested from that, much, much higher prices. Highest level we've seen today since June of this year, man. First or second target almost being achieved. I mean, we're looking at this down here, man. It's like, hey, man, I think you might see some adversity at 71.44. We did. Look, you hit it twice in reverse, only to make a higher low. And then you're going again. So 75.24, and then after that's 85.25. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That boy is good.
So that boy is good. That's Capital One Finance, man. This is what we want every single time as traders. You get me, okay? So that's the daily. That's only one time scale, dude. Look at the 4 hour, dude. Look at the effing 4 hour candle where there was bullish divergence, classic bullish divergence on the MACD and in the end on the RSI. So classic bullish divergence on the 4 hour, hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Boom, dude. It's like X marks the spot. Everything was perfect right at that area, man. Doesn't get better than this. It really can't get any better. For my system that I try teaching everyone, it doesn't get better than this, okay? Bobby Swidarski has a low IQ and will never be able to understand what technical analysis is. And let's understand, shout out to him for being too stupid, having too low of aptitude to learn this stuff. Good for him, dude. Imagine watching a technical analysis stream and then talking crap and getting banned. He's like, you're wasting your Friday. Dude. I'm like making a living, dude. You're over there wasting your time, being negative. You know, what a miserable existence, dude, to be negative. And so full of hate and, dude, it's negativity. Blah, it's cancer. This is like, COF is literally testament to how technical analysis works. See, this scrub showing up because Bitcoin's the 10,000s for, you know, whatever. That scrub wasn't here in mid-July. Most of y'all weren't here in mid-July when this was identified on stream live, plotted, looked at. Same thing I'm doing now. It was here. Just because it's playing out now and months have gone by, it's not my fault. It's not my fault TA is being respected and you're here so late and we're just recovering it now. So, oh, Eric got the tapestry too. Let's go, man. Nice. Will look good on the wall. Can I get a spin? I guess, man. I mean, you know, get me to take a shot and then everyone just quits and it's like, really, dude? Why'd you even make me take a shot if that's it, dude? Like, what does one shot do? Complete muscle relaxation. It doesn't even get me loosey-goosey. It doesn't even get me acting goofy on stream, right? I do love this song, though. I don't think that's the name of it, though. I think it's Broken. This is about, like, tense 8 or something. Let me Shazam this and see if that's wrong. Definitely one of my favorite songs of this genre. It is this song. It is called You by Gux Jimenez. Okay. Alright, so Bitcoin. You know, like, we're looking at good stuff. Look at BAC, man, right? That's been bullish too. Applying technical analysis is bullish. Ascending triangle behavior, 2519, a critical ice line from history. You broke it, you back tested it. You're now showing forms of accumulation after back testing it, chat. This is what we're looking for. Accumulation after a back test. My God. Okay, see you at $29 in time on BAC. $29 on the dot. After that, $30. If you can ever get above that. Gap fill. Something market rotation happening? Yeah. Well, here you go, dude. Sucking it up. I mean, this is bad. Like, this is not what you want. I mean, this is what happens after big impulses down. You get rallies. You're oversold severely, so you spend like almost an entire day just making much lower highs, not even coming close to threatening the previous highs. And when you do that, you lose all your negative momentum, you reset the oscillators, you get out of oversold territory so you can sell off again and get oversold again and go test 10,000 and 99.50 once more, or the demand line of the channel, right? The newly adjusted channel down at 10,200. So that being said, it may not be over for this scrub rally, or it could go higher and see 10,952 and it wouldn't be that weird, really. Been live now for 1 hour. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. But only it's, oh my God. Okay, so let's look at the US dollar real quick, and then we'll look at gold, okay? Okay. So you just had a nasty bearish engulfing candle paints on the 4 hour, but you had a decent recovery at the same time, so it's really cool though. Look what you did on the US dollar. You ran up and you tested the 200 simple moving average like perfect, dude. Like no higher, just test and then dump. And then a nice bullish Marabazoo to close the week. But not yet tested 92.55. Really do think this would test 92.55. It could test it and bounce or test it and break down again. But hidden bearish divergence is definitely there, you know. Let's go,
Charger
LNP.
slipped $21 to $25, taking a shot on a shot. Thanks as always, brother man.
That's the Wombo combo. How many people don't even know that that's a variation on the 25? They can make me chug immediately. Alright, Dave, we'll do a spin for that since you requested it. You have to drink. It was close though. Get wrecked, dude. No, I do not see 3 rising valleys on the weekly, really. No. No. So, a long time ago, it was like Larley and me both were thinking about this, for jokes. Okay, this is the weekly in the US dollar. I don't even remember when I plotted up these, but left shoulder head, maybe at some point we make it down to like 80 again, and we could test these supports all the way back here, and then make some sort of inverse head and shoulder stuff, right? But look, man, you're so far away from the supply line. Now you're double topping on a much lower high than your previous high. So, I mean, you'd think that once this area of support breaks, you're going to 85.10, most likely, right? And after that, that's what we're looking for down here, 80 bucks or so. So, meh. No. Old US dollar, like testing 1920 again. Technically still showing maybe a little bit of hidden bullish over. It's not much, dude. It's barely any. It's maybe not, alright? So I'm just not sure about gold. Like, you think how it's almost like a 3 falling peaks or something, but you don't have a lower low on your second valley, so it's just like you're falling below the demand line, but you're holding the horizontal line support from 2011 that was your previous all-time high, 1920. So it's really tough on this one because it's either like you're going to have a good time eventually and bounce resoundingly, and you'll see 2013, 2071, or this will fail. You'll break it. And like, look at last time when we broke it, you had a really violent sell-off till like reactionary buys came in to get you back above it, tested. But now that's over, right? All that's happened, and now we're somehow just still here and not catching that many bids. So if you break 1920, there could be another nasty drop, and it could, there's only support at 1817, nothing till that. Or you could talk about the local low at 1883. That's still a pretty nasty drop. So that could be in store. Again, I've already looked, and there's no harmonic here, XABC. This is too deep to be anything except a butterfly, which means goes in the chat because it'd be coming down to those levels at some point. All right. Fundamentally, you'd say, well, how is gold not still at all-time high? It is. It certainly is. It's just, it's had such an extremely good run, so Bitcoin's still fundamentally at all-time highs, but, price isn't always going to dictate that. So, yeah, we can look at oil because, if you were watching the stream last night, why US oil? We looked at it, it's down 4.45%. What a nice start, right? What a nice friggin' start. So here it is. I made an adjustment today. Had a channel with 1 and 2 on the top, first peak. I adjusted it for this new peak up here, 1 and 2. And the reason why I went with this is because this is why I have the heart line. Okay? The heart line helps you check your math. What's up, ABC Davis? First time caller, long time listener. Thanks so much, man.
Bruh.
For the call, dude. Enjoy your merchandise. Take a picture of it when it comes in. All right. Boom, he got them both. He got them both. Please, I hope that you got the 20% discount by typing 100K in the promo tab right before you purchase it, all right? Everyone should be doing that. A 20% discount on Teespring I've never seen before. So, like, I'm serious. If you're thinking about merchandise, it's like that promo ends at midnight tonight, so you either buy merchandise now or you pay like full price. So, but I think there's another one. There's like a 10% promo that'll last all weekend. I think for the holiday. You didn't know about that. I've said it like 5 times at the beginning of the stream, so it is unfortunate if you're coming in late buying merch. Yes, 20% discount. So what I'm saying is, like with the parallel channels, right? 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. When I did that, it made all the sense in the world at the heart line, where you can clearly see the price action correlation there, equilibrium level. So that means like we finally kind of broken the equilibrium level and tested as resistance and the 200 moving average, and you've sold off. And so it looks like 38.20. Going to be really interesting to see how we hold that there, right? But man, this one, you got to go to the daily to see its glory. All right, none of my work saved last night. I tried saving when we got done, and TradingView sometimes gives you a message that says your work cannot be saved. There's too much work, and it's a bug. It's a literal bug, and you have to just say, okay, I'm just going to F5 and lose all my work for it to fix. So from the high to low, 61.8% retrace, the golden retrace, the top of the golden zone, the top of the major common reversal area. That was confluent with a horizontal line resistance from history, 2016, 2017, 2019, 2015, right? So perfect shorting opportunity. And again, that's why I say good start, because it's a trade setup. Started down at 4 point. Day 1, let's go, dude. So I think we could go much lower. I think eventually U.S. oil could see 28.59, 28.60 if you're patient. I know ticker is not stuck. What are you talking about? I'm staring at Bitcoin. It's doing nothing, dude. It closed at its session lows today too. Yeah, oil is literally, obviously, the most obvious thing in the world that's not crypto yet, and its market's closed because it's the weekend. Every market closes except crypto on the weekend, including Forex. Oh dang, dude, is the BYU game tonight, or it has to be tomorrow, right? Still thinking about taking BYU because they're quarterback. Wow, dude, good job, chat, on not getting me drunk, but getting me to that level where it's like, what am I doing? Sorry, I'm looking this up. Just confirming. Dang, man, we got some real football tomorrow. Dang, dude, we got a lot of games. Love it. No big games. It's Monday. It's freaking Monday. Wow. Hey, that's cool, dude. On a holiday. Okay. Look at your 200-day moving average on oil, too. Look how you cracked above it barely. Now you're below it again. This is great. Greatest. This is like the best shorting opportunity I've seen in a while, man. Like on any asset. Because it's like stonks only go up, right? And they sell off, they rally, and they invalidate a divergence before they don't majorly. This one was like, okay, good stuff, dude. Oh, it was really this. This is why I loved oil on the daily. Look at this, man. I mean, this is crazy bearish divergence. The whole structure, slightly higher highs with lower levels of relative strength every single freaking time, man. It's crazy. Two more patrons till 6:40. Yeah, dude. It's nice, man. I mean, like, thanks so much for all the support this past couple of months. I mean, of course, for that, but you know, just such a huge influx past 2 months. Bizwood, man, maybe if you were a patron, you'd have been handed everything on a silver platter. It'd been a welfare. It'd been like, hey, man, I'm a patron, so here's your stop loss, your entry, your targets. So that's what you get in Patreon. So you can watch the stream for free, or you can invest in yourself, and you can get those amenities. Sure. So we got like 40 minutes till your daily candle close. Probably about to get out of here. Going down to see the family this weekend for the holiday. Anon says, bro, been watching you since you first started. Thanks for all the education. Nice community. Thank you, Anon. Much love. Enjoy the
Chargers
merchandise.
like 21 to $25. Where Belushi at? Let's go. Ooh.
You know the odds. They're not good. Thank you, Chargers. Or Element Up, dude. Here you go. Sorry, dude. You have to drink again. Wow, that was close. Now you're completely demoralized. I know with a certainty it's over, right? That just killed any drive you had to get me to chug. That was it. So, for Element Up, dude. That's a heartbreaker right there. I don't know, Bradford, when someone talks about my bowel movements like they actually know. I mean, I don't know, I see it and it's like, oh, like I really care about if that person contributes to the conversation ever again, right? Like, that was kind of where I was going with it, right? Oh no, I'd rather have dead chat than that chat, right? So yeah, dude, I mean, Ethereum's the only one that kind of like sticks out to me that maybe it could just shock the world and move up, but it's going to close more like a spinning top, which is just extreme amounts of neutrality, I think. I mean, yeah, you can get bullish spinning tops. They can act as reversals, but I'd much rather have a bullish pin bar, bullish hammer, all right, above 389, not below it. What's up, Gia? Okay. Says, looking forward to next merch. Complete something. Looking forward to the next merch to complete the collection. Yes, Gia, absolutely. Thank you. We just did Empire Strikes Back. We'll be working on Return of the Jedi, all right? Mr. Loaded, thanks, dude. Says, I was driving, so I couldn't see this until I got home. Hi, yeah, dude, it's nuts, right? Beautiful. Julia's got multi-pillows now, right? The Bungaloo. Oh, you got the Bungaloo blankie. I thought you had a pillow, too. Maybe I'm crazy. Thank you, Julia, for purchasing the indoor pillow. Don't take it outside. Candles don't survive well outside. They melt. Wow, you got it on the first one? No way, dude. Dude, that has to be some sort of thing. There maybe hasn't even been a Belushi hit on 33.
To $33.33 of the odds, baby, and Buzz Limbo as well. If we hit, we take it to the next level. Friday and 3-day weekend, let's go. Love this community. Either way, thanks, Mitch, you're the man.
You know what I think's crazy about 33.33? I think the last time somebody got a Belushi on 33.33 was when Drink Troll tipped $8,000, or right before he tipped $8,000, where it was like he just kept using 33 and he said, if this one lands on Chug, I will top to top Jesus. And it was a Belushi, and it was like, boom. Y'all remember? Some of y'all remember that? That was crazy. Those were the days, man. Back before, you know, all the patron hype. It was the tips hype. Whew. Yeah, I gotta take a shot, man. He got me. And I'll spin too. I have to, right? Because it's like he was doing. You're allowed to do that if you do 25 or 33, 33. Yep. All right, we're safe there. That was the only way you were gonna get me, man. Was the Belushi, not the wheel spin. Get wrecked. Anyone have a clip of that? Yeah, the it was when Stream Elements was messed up too. Crap. Yeah, Lammy, he did. He had been tipping a lot, but it was just like, you know, in order to... People don't know what to top Jesus is. It's not like the amount of contributions you've made collectively over time. And no, it's the single largest transaction of contribution to the stream. That's how you become to top Jesus. That will never get topped, like ever. Literally never. Like, I don't even think someone will come in to try to top it with a sponsorship from a crypto scam exchange, right? And that's okay, dude. Yeah, I did fly out of my chair that night. Tron is not pumping because of anything besides a bullish cipher on the BTC pair. Okay, that's it. That's the only reason Tron's pumping, okay? It's not because Justin Sun, his boogers mean more now. Nope. It's because of this structure that was identified 2 months ago, man. 2 months ago, and it was like, you were warned on this one day. Don't even say you weren't warned when we're at 400, 500 plus sats. Nothing to do with Justin Sun. All to do with this. IMO. What just happened? E-turn. Shout out to Wayne Batson for the merch. Is it possible to the first canvas in white? Oh yeah, maybe. I don't know, Wayne. Did we do it that way? Maybe I could unlist it and I could relist it like that. I don't know if it would look as good, but we could certainly try if you request that. Yeah. I guess so. Would white work? No, white would have to be completely augmented. Batson would have to go in and change up all the white and make it black or something. Because look, if you look at the canvas for the harmonic patterns, like the crab and the bat and the shark, they're white. So how would it work with white, you know?
Hey Mitch, can you pull a fib on ETH from February high to March low, and look for the 2 fib?
The good old 2 fib, dude. I'm gonna go get the fibs. February. Hey, you want to see 1618, 14? Yeah, exceeded the 1618. Exceeded the 1618. Showed even more bearish divergence at the top at 487. I mean, it's just like it does. I mean, you can be surprised. You cannot be surprised on why Ethereum would reverse there. I mean, it's like duh. Like, if you respect, that's Ethereum respecting the TA like crazy. Like, hidden bullish divergence turns into a continuation to the upside, and then it runs up one more time, hits critical horizontal line resistance from history, multi-year. 2 years ago, it was a peak, and the upsloping resistance at the same spot before it reverses, and it showed in the end triple RSI divergence. We're going to be technical here. At that peak. And that was after all the profit taking levels of the trade setup were hit. You know, it went higher, somewhat higher than the targets, and that's okay. It does that, but you just can't be that surprised with an Ethereum sell-off at that level. I mean, that's exactly where sell-offs happen. That's like why you watch the stream. That's why you invest in yourself, because you know that. Extremely normal. I think I have one shot left, dude. This is nasty, dude. It's freaking nasty. The smell just makes me like... No, the ticker is not frozen. How is Bitcoin's ticker frozen? No, it's right. Isn't the price that? Hold on. Oh, jeez, man. It's so nasty. Oh, so disgusting. All assets are frozen on Coinbase. Duh. Go to my tip account. So Coinbase is down, is what you're saying? All right, you heard it, chat. Coinbase is down. Take evasive action. Turn the music up, dude. God, it's so laggy. There you go. Well, we set Bitfinex up for now until Coinbase comes back. All right, let me know. What'd you do? You sent what on Twitter? Was that you back then? I remember when you sent that. I retweeted it. Oh, okay. Yeah. What's up, YYS? YY dollar symbol? To get learned with my harmonics pillow. Spinjas unite. Can I get a spin? Happy Friday, everyone. YY? Yeah, dude, sure. Thanks, man. You drink, dude. Not me. So this is the furthest I've grown out my beard in a long time. I haven't cut it in maybe a week and a half. It's getting real bad, dude. You might just let it grow. I don't know. Or just completely shave and come back with no beard, and then you're all gonna lose your minds. So at least we're looking at this on Binance right here, so we don't have to worry about Coinbase being down. But you see the spinning top stuff? It's just selling off methodically. 25 minutes. You gotta come in with some buying. Otherwise, you're screwed, dude. Otherwise, Bitcoin's screwed. Gonna see 10K again, 99.50. Yeah, let's pull that up, that 8K, since we, we're talking about it for fun. There it is.
Oh my.
All right, let's watch this. It's 1 minute or something. Forgive my reaction. It's really crappy quality for some reason too. I don't know. I think it was like just happened. So like here we are back in the day. It was snowing, snow themed.
Here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Happen to adventure.
God, the quality's so bad. You can get better quality, dude.
Emperor Drink Troll tipped $8,000.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god.
Dude, this played out like the Jesus, by the way. This XRP falling wedge. Oh, incredible, dude.
For the $8,000.
I think y'all can hear this. God, I hate it, man. It's so scuffed. No more of this scuffed crap, alright? Can't have nice things. Ever. Alright? Ever. Here's Litecoin. Very similar to Bitcoin. And it's holding on by its chinny chin chin to its own critical support from April 7th. From June. From October 2019. From September 2018. From February 2019. Litecoin. Holding on to a support for now. No, absolutely zero edge. No seller exhaustion. Nearly bouncing off that support for good reason and then rallying to test other levels as resistance when they should have been support. So it's just doing the same crap as Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. Not really what we're looking for. Okay, it's not even close to oversold either. That's kind of concerning, right? The 200-day moving average, you're at it. You're right at it, man. Oh, why extra? Why? Why better hope Bitcoin above 10K? Why? Oh, everyone will leave on this below. Thanks for your sour grapes, dude. Yeah, I can rely on you to always say something really weird and kind of negative and very passive aggressive. That's you, extra. Yay, none of my work says. Okay, so K and C, man. Back to entry of the trade setup, right? Terrible, dude. Just terrible. This is a trader's market, man. And all it did was hit the entry and hit the two targets the trade setup and never saw it again. And now you're just back down at the previous June 12th high, July of 2020 low. Alright, so no edge, absolutely nothing. You're not oversold. This sucks, man. It's bad. This is terrible, dude. Just awful. Okay, this could dump so much more if Bitcoin sells off. It's going to. It's gonna come down to 106, and then after that, it's gonna go down to 81 cents if Bitcoin wants to continue to sell off. Bitcoin participants, okay? Stop crying. Why don't you stop watching the stream, dude? Why don't you just leave and never come back? So good luck, man, on KNC. It maybe was setting up for another harmonic, but it's far too deep now. It's 100% retrace, so it might still be XABCD. You know, could it be a deep crab? At some point, it could be a deep crab. That's a long way off, man. Bitcoin would have to sell off so much more. I don't even know. 61% retrace? Yeah, that's deep crab territory. So deep crab is the 1618. So you'd have to wait for an entry at 71 cents, man. Which is very, in my opinion, if like a correction truly is beginning in crypto for a while, I mean, this could easily see those levels again. All right, so don't take it out of your mind that we could see possibly a deep crab in time. Hold on, we could yeah, we'd use this one. It's not a big deal. Yeah, same PCZ. How much have changed? There you go. Deep crab possible. No edge now. So, I mean, you got critical sports, but no exhaustion at all. I mean, my God. Selling could definitely continue on this. So, good luck. So, Ricky Bobby. It's taking his time. I guess it's broken. The TTS. So, Robert. What's up, Rabito? Dude, got a fleece blanket. Another shot, Mitch. Another spin, but certainly not another shot. Because it's not going to land on Chug right now. Watch.
Bro, I just
Stroke.
got my mug. It's so nice.
Which one did you get, Ricky Bobby? Probably bread, right? It's probably no one's still getting. Maybe some people are still getting their Pepe mugs. No, the gap did not fill. Nope. We were close, but it's crazy. The Bitcoin futures chart closed and created a very nice bullish hammer pattern, reversal pattern, but it wasn't green or anything. It was a red candle. It was so close to filling the gap. Yeah, but it just didn't. Robbie, normally what happens is if you buy 2 pieces of merchandise, it'll normally show up back to back, but some people have said that it doesn't happen. Like they'll buy 2 pieces and only one thing will pop up. So you probably definitely bought it, but just might have bugged out. Well, I don't know. Let's see. It only shows that you purchased the blank. So you got a tapestry and a blanket, dude? But it doesn't tell me that. It's not saying that you bought the tapestry here. Check and see if your card got charged or something. You get the bread mug. Yeah, futures will reopen, Christian, at 6 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. Yes. Wait. Yeah, that's still gonna happen even with the holiday, I think, right? Boost of leather. It's gonna be sweet, sweet vengeance this year. They're gonna have to wear COVID masks and lose. Nice. I mean, I'm going out on a limb saying Alabama should win the title this year. Like, Alabama is the absolute most complete team returning, and I don't think you're paying attention to recruiting if you don't agree. You should definitely go take a look at the recruiting and the coaching that we've retained. Finally. Good luck to everyone who plays Alabama this year in football. What happened, Robbie? Did it work? Charged and all? Okay, all right. I'll take your word for it, man. Trust. All right, there you go, man. Not a good day for me. Not a good day for me, Robbie. I think this will do it, too. This is going to kick it. Oh, they're paying for their players to not opt out? Yeah. Source. Trust me, bro. That's actually... Nah, there's more than one shot. Wow. God, dude. That is so much alcohol. It's so hard to discern. God, dude. This is why I need a shot glass. He's sending me shot glass. They're still not in yet. Got this freaking very classy martini glass. Jesus, dude. Alright, so got like maybe 2 more shots in there. But I have no chaser now. I only have water as a chaser. This is going to be disgusting. Oh, also, this came in. I can't wait to read this. The Richest Man in Babylon. It's been recommended by so many people. So, it'd be fun. Hey, go get a Kindle version and start reading it this weekend. I think I'm going to start reading it when I'm down visiting family at the pool, at the farm. So we could talk about it maybe on Monday or Sunday when I get back, right? It's okay. Dude, Robbie, I trust you, man. You did. I know you honestly did. I mean, I believe you. That's why I spun again, and that's why it landed on Chug, and that's why I'm literally sitting here with a shot in my hand, right? Great book, easy to read. Oh yeah, it seems like you could easily finish this in a day if you wanted, or less. I mean, less than a day. Speed read it yesterday, Frank said. You won't get much from it. Probably stuff we are already practicing, maybe. And it might have been for people that aren't doing what we're all doing, right? Investing in ourselves, doing the right thing. No TA, Metro TA shot glasses. They don't provide those. Those aren't things yet. Or like Teespring doesn't provide it. So if you have like a recommendation on a piece of merchandise, you can. I mean, if you're like talented and you can put out quality like Wayne Batson did, like you saw what he put out, man. Like if you want, you know, your merch to, if you think you can compete with that and you can put out a quality piece, we'll look at it and we will consider it. And if it's good enough, we might do it. You know, we might publish it, because what we're doing with merchandise is we audit every month. We're auditing sales on merchandise, and so like the worst performers, it's like Enron, you know, the worst performers get voted out, right? So unfortunately, based on sales, the NASCAR composite shirt and the bread mug were, yeah, it's almost like, what's the point? If there's no demand for it, there shouldn't even be supply. There, you know, it's like, we'll just retire them, make them collectibles. So you've got like 4 days left, I think, to be able to purchase those pieces, and they'll go away forever. They'll be collector's items then. So I guess let me get this over with, the shot. The channel looks sloppy. I don't know. The top looks amazing. There's heartline touches. If you made an equidistant channel, you'd get 25% touches probably. I don't know, man. 1, 2, 3 on the top and just 1 on the bottom. I mean, that's it. That's how you create channels. And it's at the bottom of it. Meh. I mean, I don't think it looks choppy. I think it's fine. I don't know what that's on, man. It's kind of weird. Is that a joint, dude?
Is that a joint? Haha, would you consider not weekly bear dip or not? 61.8 to 65% ray trace was golden.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, this one's been like, hey, you hold it for 5 years, right? And 5G will do it. We'll look at it. Hold on, let me do my duty. It's been far too easy for y'all to get it today, day. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're having a good one. If you're a negative person with hate in your heart, don't type. Because if you type, you're just going to get banned, right? And then it's like, what's the point? And if you're somebody who is negative, full of hate, and you don't even care about technical analysis, why are you even here? You know? for attention. I don't know, dude. It's gonna be okay, Win Batson. It is, dude. Yeah, it's been a chill stream. Good stuff, man. Old Nokia Connect, right? Looking on the daily. Right, yeah, you had the 75% trend line on the equidistant channel. It's been respected like the Jesus too many times, right, throughout history. You did it again, man. So now you're selling off. What was your question? Weekly bearish divergence or no? Daily bearish divergence was disgusting, dude. Look, I mean, hey, man, sorry I'm not looking at Nokia every day, but if you told me to look at it, you know, when we were up here, I'd be like, uh-oh, buyer exhaustion going on. Look out. Weekly, though. Good start, man. This is like, look, it's like Tron, right? It's like Tron, but on a way more significant time scale over a lot more, like many more years. November 2007 up there, right? So this pattern started its development in 2012, and PCZ was hit in July of this year, right? So this is the patient man's game. This is like someone who's an investor. This isn't even a position trade. This is an investor trade, I guess you would call it. I don't know what you call it, right? But look left, right? Look there. Listen, that major high from 1995. Spent some time up there and failed. Upthrusted just to touch the 200-week simple moving average to reject it to dump. And no bearish divergence on the weekly, man. Nah, just pulling back. Look, man, this ice line, very, very real, right? 1995 created. Then you've had price action correlation 2011, 2013, and 2016, 2017, 2019, and now 2020. So eventually, we're just hoping that a higher low gets painted. You might fill a gap down at $4. You see that gap there? Certainly could get filled in time. You make a higher low, and then you eventually break 490, and then you run up to most likely 665, which would be C, and just also very critical historical support resistance. All right. So that's it, man. This is the patient man's game, where it could take 5 years to play out, but it could pull a Tron. It could literally pull a Tron where it eventually, in a few years, is at $16 or higher. Okay. It could take years because it's the weekly. It's not the daily like I was looking at Tron. Okay. But let me just we'll just pull it up for you to see. It's kind of hilarious here. Oh, what's he talking about, man? Tron. I don't even watch this stream, dude. It's the exact same thing, man. I mean, let me get rid of all this. These Fibonacci's are just make things too cluttered. So this is the exact same context here. Tron and Nokia. Right, just a Cypher and a Gartley, dude. No real big difference. The patterns are different, you know, they're different discernibilities, but the outcome normally ends up being the same. They're bullish reversals. So, boom. What's up, Raisin Kane? New viewer. What is the Patreon? What is a Patreon? Patreon is it's a way you support the stream, right? Because this my stream and this community is 100% crowdsourced, meaning I don't monetize with advertisements. Right? You watch this stream, you never get ads unless it's like a video that had copyright music that YouTube made you watch ads, and it's a static video. But I'm talking in live streams, real time. You never watch ads. And also, I get to play copyright music that makes the viewing experience even better. I don't have a sponsor. I've never had a true, real sponsor. I legally would have to tell you if I was accepting money from somebody. So, no sponsorships, no advertisements, no affiliate marketing. So, Patreon's a way that you support the stream, but in turn, you learn how to swing trade, right? You learn how to identify an edge on the market, entry areas for shorts or longs, right? So, and you're given trade setups, handed to you, and that helps you better understand how to size up things, right? So, that's what Patreon is. But Raising Cane, man, that's I'm from there, dude. So I live there, dude. But you know what I'm saying, man, about this right here, dude? This is what can happen, Larry, but it might be a few years. 5G, Nokia 5G. Let's go, dude. I will see you in the year 2024 when we're higher than 665 on Nokia, okay? Well, yeah, in the Patreon there are trade setups. Trade setups like you get trade setups like this, where they hit targets. Not all three, hit two, right? Trade setups like this. Alright, you get trade setups handed to you in the Patreon. Easy Scapes, thanks for all the great work. Can you please take a look at link to BTC? Sure. Thanks, man. Enjoy your tapestry. Right, trade setups handed to you. Entry, stop loss, targets. Boom. Right. Handed to you, right? Targets for a patron. Boom. You got 2 targets. Okay, that was it. And still, very interesting. You're still at low risk, high reward areas on tap. And this might be one to revisit because it could go higher again. Oh, look at this one, man. For patrons, a trade setup, dude. SSL, May 17th, dude. Like, boom. Hit that first target in days. It was like one of the quickest stock trade setups ever, dude. It was like amazing, up like 40% in days. And that's just, we could just keep going and keep going and keep going. Golds, boom, right? Boom. These are things you get in Patreon. So, but it's not just me giving you them. Same time, I want you to have the mentality when you join to invest in yourself to where you can do that stuff. You can set up your own trade like this without me in time, right? Boom, let's go in on wall tapestry. Enjoy it, man. Please take a picture of it on your wall and put it in the merch tab. That's what everyone does with their new merch. IRL pictures, okay? Send it. Oh man, nothing here. Nothing to see here, dude. Like, really. It's like, I had a channel, a really nice uptrend, and then it went nuts. It went berserk. So now I have nothing to do. I have nothing. I don't want to deal with this. I will wait patiently for a deep retrace. We are not at a deep retrace right now. 50. All right, a new day has begun, chat, and it was bad. That was a bad candle close. So this will be a bat. So an 886 retrace, I would wait for a link. I'd be looking for an edge on the market right here. An edge on the market at 74,000 Satoshis. I'm going to add an alert here and forget about it until I hear a beep and be like, what? What was the beep again? Oh my god, it's a bullish bat PCZ. No edge, dude. So much downside potential. A lower high being set in. An attempted rally that ended up being a lower high is bad. That's bearish. There's distribution going on right now. So if it doesn't ever get down here, I don't care. Because I don't compromise with assets. If they aren't where I want them to be, and this is your mentality, you should have to. If they're not exactly where you want them to be, and then at that level where you want them to be, they're not showing an edge in the market with seller exhaustion, then we move on, because there are thousands of assets we can trade across multiple markets, not just the scammy crypto market, okay? So I'll wait, never gets here, don't care, moving on, all right? Have your alert set up, 77,000 and change sats. Could be good there. So with the daily candle close, Jesus chimes. Yeah, something really bad's gonna happen if Coinbase Pro's down, most likely. A new day's been born. Congratulations, everybody.
Any edge on BAT?
There's no edge on anything, but maybe Ethereum. But the problem is the market's so homogenous that it's like, it doesn't matter if there's somewhat of an edge on Ethereum. If Bitcoin dumps down to 10K, 99.50 again, Ethereum's going down to like 460 again. It doesn't matter what Ethereum looks like right now because Bitcoin's kind of crappy right now. Bitcoin has just begun an impulse down, and there's no edge. It's not oversold. It just reset the oscillators in the 4 hour and could dump again, man. So no, like if I were you, it would be prudent for one to enjoy their weekend this weekend, and maybe during this weekend an edge can be created, right? We get more selling, we get something that happens, more data. No, you're not oversold. If you start reversing here, maybe you get hidden bullish evidence here, dude. Like, dude, you're back to August 4th levels. It was the beginning of the month, man. Like, you're back to the trade setup entry after it played out, like the Jesus, man. Right? People were like asking about Patreon. People were asking about Patreon, right? And it's like, okay, you see this, right? This was the trading range. This was an entry for a trade right here. Okay, this is back August 2nd, dude. This is a trader's market. Trader's market. Non-investors market. At all. Jacob Twitch, thank you, dude. Hey, bitch, thanks for always being live, always watching. Been sub for 1.5 years. Finally got some of the merch before it's gone. Does this count for a spin on the mug? I guess. Yeah, sure, whatever. Thanks, man. You're right. Chug face if you're out there. It's true. So it's like, okay, man. Trader's market, right? You're back down to entry. It even went so low that the stop loss got hit on the successful trade setup that held 3 targets and then went to moon all the way to 44 cents off that entry, right? So, yeah, this is crypto, dude. It could be a bullish bat or something. I don't know. We'll got it. All right, this is a bullish bat. No way. It's like far too deep, I guess, right? I mean, it just depends where you anchor at this point. I mean, that's the high. Then you have to use this anchor point here, and then you have to use this peak. So 50% is still an 886. So yeah, I mean, like dang, dude, 4 hour. I guess there's MACD divergence. It's terrible on the RSI. I don't think you have any help on the daily. You are at a pattern completion zone. You're at a value perception area where market participants might perceive value. You're there. Yeah, you are there. That's disgusting, though, dude. Like, what a freaking nasty drop. Like, you may be at a pattern completion zone, but you got no seller exhaustion at this level. So, I mean, I'm not confident. Like, I don't want to be taking a shot on this stuff right now. I mean, until I get a real significant edge, one thing I'm going to be monitoring is Ethereum, because it kind of it's kind of special in this, dumpster, not dumpster, but what is it? A landfill, our landfill of the crypto market right now. Ethereum's like a little Tokyo rose sitting there, right? Sun beaming down on it, and everything around it's just garbage right now. Not much opportunity. We wait for the opportunity. It presents itself eventually. But it takes time. And that's what we got. A lot of y'all don't have time, so Go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin on the daily, as we're looking at right now. Maybe to wrap up the stream. It's kind of like 1 and 2 and 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom, and you're just at it, right? Horizontal line support from 99.50. That's a major weekly support resistance that you tested and held. We can look at that right now, a weekly. This is what you want to see. All right, obviously, fake out again. You just impossible. This is the most powerful resistance of all time for Ethereum or for Bitcoin. 11,463. Might as well be a, I don't know, man, a steel, titanium infused wall, right? You just can't break it. No matter you got above it, but just up thrusted and failed. And so now look what's happened. That previous peak from April of 2018 that was once resistance. Well, it was once kind of support during the correction, right? But then it became resistance. It is now support. So that's good. But falling below that, you're effed. You're going to 8,500. I mean, you could see 9,600. You just don't want to at all. I mean, if anything, when you close the weekly in 2 days, you want to be closed above 10,550 because that's that structure, right? That's the top of the right-angled and descending broadening formation, right? So that's what you're doing. You're just testing it right now. And support.
Subman, thanks for the breakdown. I will be checking out the channel and who knows, maybe become a future Patreon. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Small alma mater, dude. Thank you. You see this glory days, dude? I think you know what that is. Maybe. Okay. So, I mean, like, it is literally a landfill right now in the crypto market for opportunity for a swing trader. All right, just is. Doesn't matter if there's a rally that occurs. If Bitcoin could keep going up, this weekend, but eventually it seems like get some positive momo and then we'll sell off again. And I'm just waiting for exhaustion. You don't normally get exhaustion on one impulse down, one big major impulse down. You wait for the big impulse down, a small wave up, and a small wave down. And that's where we look for our exhaustion. We don't have that yet. Ethereum to 460, did I say that? I meant 360. If I said 460, I didn't even notice. Whoops. Alright, y'all. So I've been live now for over 2 hours, so what more do you want? It's Friday, dude. So really appreciate all the support today, all those merchandise purchases that are continuing. Had to take advantage of that discount. I hope you have a good holiday weekend. Yeah, dude, everyone, if you're on the fence about buying merchandise, you want to do it now because I don't know if you'll ever get the 20% discount again, like ever. Like I've never seen it before. And they're doing it only because they hit 100,000 Instagram followers, Teespring. So it lasts until midnight tonight. So again, like in less than 10 hours, you won't be able to buy any of this merchandise 20% off. So weird how some merchandise shows up on the YouTube stream and then most of it doesn't. It's so weird. Okay. So you've been warned. Get back above 10,550 or we're screwed. That's it, dude. Yeah, and it looks like Coinbase is still down, chat. Still down. This is weird. So yeah, big dump incoming, man. Or pump. I don't know. Something's going to happen. Some effery is going to happen. You just know it, man. Coinbase just not working. So, just kidding. We don't really know that actually at all. Yeah, the merchandise ships to Europe, or I think it's the UK. I don't know about all of Europe, so I'll be back. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. Just know I'm probably not streaming tomorrow because I'm going to visit family for just the weekend, alright? So, I'll be back. Y'all are amazing. Until next time, respect the TA. Adam G, man, thanks so much, man. The merch birch did. Multiple merch birches. Let's go!
Bruh.
Let me read this. Greetings from Melbourne, Australia. Thanks for the great TA work and entertainment, Mitch. Love your artwork, Wayne Batson. Cheers. Cheers to you, brother, man. Thank you for supporting the stream. Let's go green, man. He says, sorry I missed most of the stream. Was out eating dinner. Keep it real. Keeping it real goes right. Thanks, man.
Bruh.
Well, let's go. We got a merch perch train going after the stream. Thanks so much, dude. Getting that was my video. Cheers. Yeah, merch madness.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Adios, turd nuggets.